Four drivers with 3 wins apiece in their respective categories shared the spotlight at the JRDC Independence of Speed meet at the Dover Raceway in St. Anne on Sunday. Kevin Chok, Mais, Ziddan, Madden and Oliver Townsend were the standout performers as they all completed a clean sweep of their respective classes. Chok was unbeaten in the Super Street Naturally Aspirated class. That's the naturally aspirated class in his Nissan-driven 240SX. Mais dominated the improved Production 3, driving a K-swapped Mitsubishi Mirage. Madden also won all 3 modified Production 2 races, with Townsend matching that feat in modified Production 3. Sara Misir-Vaz, the Breakthrough Athlete of the Year at the RJR Gleaner Sports Foundation and National Sports Awards for 2025, also had a successful outing, claiming back-to-back wins in the modified Production 4. Akello Morgan also secured 2 victories in the improved Production 2 category. However, the day began on a sobering note after JRDC Chairman Jerome Marshall was involved in an accident during the warm-up session. The next race meet on the calendar will be the Heroes of Speed and Drift Eruption Weekend, which will combine circuit racing and high-speed drifting at the Dover Raceway on October 19.